That's your phone telling you that you live. You know your other phone. Hold on, let's wait till some people get on here. Hey, Keisha. I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing of y'all of the new subs. Nothing too fancy. Uh-oh. Stickers, manuals, Fanatics base.
They work.
Can't read that shit.
Big rubber.
Ooh. Ooh.
Big rubber.
Ooh.
Some baby.
By the time we got some good cones in here.
Big
Ooh.
Single ones. Single one-on woofers.
Look at that.
Chrome, magnet, Kevlar, big rubber, 3000 watt RMS, single 1 inch.
Bro, look at that cone. Bruh.
Yeah. Yep. And penis is single ones.
First time I've seen a woofer like this in a minute. With a motor this big with one coil. Ooh, boy, that cone is something else.
Fully Kevlar.
Ooh.
Kevlar dust cap. Got the red for the Impala because the Impala's red.
Woo.
Nice cushion on the bottom for your speaker that you want to go through. So yeah.
Just let y'all know, we will be selling these and all the other FB speakers.
These ain't for sale.
But not these.
But FB Audio is for sale. Feel free to inbox. You want these? I ordered these
A week ago?
A week ago.
Came all the way from Brazil.
In a week. FedEx.
Just saying, if you're looking to run something different, run some foreign speakers, and you actually want to hear in a decent amount of time, we got you.
Big rubber. These babies are ready.
We're going to put these in the car, put them up against the 99s, see how they do. God, look at that. We're going to need some cushions to make sure you don't get that ever scratched up.
All right.
Ooh, look at that. God, that's nice. That's real nice.
3000 RMS. My DDs are 2000 RMS. Big rubber. My 99s didn't have big rubber like this. This is what I needed, big rubber.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, 165.
Six. Woo, it's gonna be so much easier loading these in there.
Then the Neo's on the way too, so.
Yep.
Perfect.
We're just testing these out. We're gonna do a test, see how these stand up against the 99s on their own. We are expecting a gain going from a 4-inch coil. I don't know if y'all can see that in there, probably not.
It's a 3-inch coil here.
Going from a 4-inch coil in a 99 to a 3-inch coil in this. You know, but I'm just curious to see how power handling is gonna go as well. And then we're gonna pull these out, move up to the 3-inch coil Neos, hopefully gain another dB or two. And
It's real built though.
yeah, it is. Very nicely built.
Shout out to all my guys that run FB Audio. Shout out to Carlos at FB Audio for putting me in the game with these.
Look how nice that glue joint is.
And they was very nice for me to come to their shop when I was in Brazil, and they gave me some good quality stuff.
You see how nice those glue joints are? Look at that.
These are handmade. Everything is
super high quality.
FB Audio. No exporting or importing. Everything is there.
built in house.
So I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Woo! All right, y'all. We out.
Yeah.